when you finish making a noise.
Hang on.
There. Can we start now?
Yeah, right.
Okay. So, Happy Mail video. I haven't done one of these in a long time. So the box of Happy Mail that I'm about to show you has come all the way from Germany, from Deutschland, from a lovely lady called Alienne Hero. That's the name she goes under on the internet. Now, this package was sent to us last year, but for some reason, some mix-up with the post or whatever, it got returned back to Alienne in Germany. So she held on to it until after quarantine and lockdown has been lifted, kind of for us anyway. And so she's posted it back over. She posted it to Mum and Dad's just to be on the safe side to make sure there was no problem with the address. And I picked it up this morning. Now, Ian has already opened the box because Mr. Bentley was sniffing at it. And he obviously knew there was something in there for him. So I'll turn the camera around and show you exactly what was in the box.
Right.
Okay, so
Up.
the box.
What's this? Oh, big holes up. Oh. So we have some treats.
Yes.
Excuse me a minute. Oh, go on then.
He'll be back.
He will.
Trust me.
Plus there's also a Kong for him. He likes these.
The Kongs. He
Yes.
does. Is it Squeaky Kong?
No, it's a stretchy one.
It probably just wants to loosen up.
No, it's stretchy. Like
Oh,
that.
the stretch
like
one.
stretchy
All right,
one.
okay. It does like those. The Kong ones are the really,
Yeah.
really good quality ones. They last
And
forever.
there's-
There he is. This is like Christmas for Bentley, is.
This?
Alienne, you really have spoilt him.
Go on then. I love it. Go on then. Go on then, Bobo. Go on, have it. And some duck strips for him.
Duck.
Hello, darling.
Let's come to see if there's anything else.
Oh, yeah,
there.
there is. He knows there is. Look. What is this?
So this is a lovely toy.
We're just going to have to just cut the card off it so we can play with it.
So this is a Kong toy, which is a heavy-duty pet toy. They're designed to be thrown around and pulled, and basically tough
Killed.
treatment. Tough
Killed.
Well, yeah, tough treatment.
This is a.
It's a. Oh, look!
What that? What that? Tell me. Do you want it? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me.
Go on then. Take him then.
And back into the room.
He'll be back.
He'll be back.
So, okay, what else we got?
We have some Vegitex vegetable leather.
Oh, cool. So that's like the, it's like a plasticized paper, isn't it? That you can ink up and put paints and stuff on, but it feels like leather and it doesn't tear.
Yes.
Excellent stuff. So that is Vegitex. Cool. That'll make a really nice journal cover
Yes, it
or a
will.
traveller's
Soft.
notebook cover.
Soft
yeah.
colour, yeah.
Excellent. What
We
else
have
is in
some-
the boxes?
Some sockies. I don't know whether Alienne's actually knitted these, but they are wonderful. Look at those.
I like to think she has.
I would like to think she has too. They have that hand knitted feel, which is
They look
lovely.
amazing. What colour do you want?
This one's because you like the teal ones.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Get off.
Put them over there then.
What else we got?
We have a lovely little card she's
Sorry,
made.
get my finger out the way.
Lovely little card with some.
What's it say? I have what?
I have absolutely no desire to fit in.
Like it a lot. Just read it to yourself first, just in case there's anything private in there. Sometimes there is.
Hello, Mikey and Mr. Bentley. Wish you a wonderful year. Hoping you can make something of all this stuff I'm sending. Thanks for all the fun you give us. Love, Alienne. P.S. Greetings to Mum and Dad.
Is there a date on there?
No.
Oh, right, okay. Because Alienne actually did send to me a message the other day saying that she'd posted it, but she'd forgotten what she'd put in the box.
Some lovely tissue. Look at that.
Oh, look at that holographic. Fab.
It's like Tutankhamun type paper.
Oh, yeah, like his headdress.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. chocolate mousse. Chocolate.
Oh, nice. Is it dark chocolate?
It looks dark chocolate, which is perfect for you.
Nice.
Plus some Milka.
Milk
We all love
bars.
Milka. Milka
So there's
chocolate.
one dark milk one and two milky milk ones.
There's one with raisins. One with noisette, which is nuts, hazelnuts. And one's hazelnuts there. And then that one's got almonds in it.
Oh, no, hang on. Noisette, isn't that praline?
It is. Noisette, yeah.
Yeah, so one's praline, one's hazelnut, and one's dark. And Ian doesn't like dark chocolate, so...
Oh, what a shame.
Oh.
There's plenty there, though. We also have... Ooh,
What's this? This looks rather lovely.
I don't know. Oh!
What is it? Oh, look! I'm going to say it's a makeup set, but it's like a blending set.
Yeah. Oh, there's... Oh, look at those. Feels like Bentley's ears.
Oh, do you know what I thought? They've been used.
No. They're all the same colour. I think they scorched them to make them shaped.
So it's like, I want to say like squirrel hair. Oh, God, that's soft.
Let's do a comparison.
That's beautiful.
Let's have a feel. No, sorry, Bentley still wins.
Bentley's still
They're
soft.
beautiful, those.
Look, I keep getting my finger in the way. So they're like...
All different sizes. I
they're-
think the makeup tools.
Yeah, but they're
But
blending.
for blending.
Blending will be perfect. And a lovely little leather case that they've come in as well.
yeah, they are.
And of course the copper.
Which we love.
Copper coloured.
Yes. Some sticky notes. I don't want to break anything.
What does it say on the front?
Oh, it's there. Sticky notes. From London. So they're all different sticky notes, different sizes, different colours.
That's
They're cute. I like
Yeah.
those. And we have...
Sticky notes, keep calm and carry on. Very good
I
advice.
think...
By anybody's book.
I think it's you put it on your hand to make marks on things.
Well, what is it? Is it all in German?
Ah, it's there. It shows you. So some make the spots, some make the. So you tamper with it. You hold it in your hand.
Oh, it's like a texture maker.
It's got texture maker there. 3 different textures. I think it's for beauty. But look at the textures. You've got wavy lines, fine dots, and big dots.
Perfect for mark making.
Perfect, Mundo. Some lovely black feathers.
I'm sure it's not a feather boa.
No, it's not, I'm not putting it on. We have some. God, they're very dimensional. Are they?
Or the post-it notes.
I think the post-it notes. They're lovely.
Sticky notes.
Look at
Arrow
those.
sticky notes. Oh, they'll be cute for an art journal page.
They will.
In the background, texture-wise.
We have some little round stickers. Mm-hmm. They're cute.
They gloss land
Yes, they are.
and die cut.
Die cut, yeah.
Nice.
They're nice.
Ooh, metal frames.
Look at those.
Metal butterflies as well. Nice for mixed media.
I'm thinking they might be.
Oh.
What?
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. You like bumblebees, don't you?
Yes, but what am I working on at the moment?
Can't remember.
The Bumblebee journal.
Oh, yeah. A bumblebee journal.
Really? Am I?
Yeah, there's 2. Look at the corners and frames. They're lovely.
They're nice.
Oh, nice, aren't they, those?
They'd be nice to put on a journal.
Yes. So we have some keys. There's plenty of frames. All different. They're lovely.
They are.
I may be using some of those presently. They're lovely. We have corners.
Fantastic. You can never
Perfect.
have too many corners.
They're perfect.
So these are the metal corner protectors for albums and journals.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
We need some of those.
Brilliant. Perfect
I
timing.
ordered some, but they haven't arrived. Oh, that's a very
it?
fine embossing fold. Die cuts little circles out.
So look.
It's a
Dynamics. That was my favourite thing. Oh, it puts little pinpricks.
tiny holes.
Tiny little holes in it. That'd be nice for texture. But also you could use that if you were doing like cross stitch or something.
Yes,
couldn't
you could.
That'd be rather interesting.
And we
Liking
have
that.
Mapmaking.
Fantastic. So they're Klartex Stempel. So whatever company that is, it must be a German company. Or
it is Deutsch.
yeah, I'm trying not to get the shadow in because of the lights.
Of course. Are you okay? Move
Yeah.
on.
So what's
That's like little flowers.
That's Kaiser. That's not Germany. That's Australian, isn't it?
Is it?
Kaisercraft, Australian, I think. Made in time. Yeah, Australia. There you go. It says so on the back. Look. Belmont, Victoria, Australia. I knew they were Australian. But that's a nice, like flowers, aren't they? But a nice texture. And other ones for mark making as well. So again, must be German. I'll have to investigate these. So what does that say? Danipus. I don't know. But anyway,
Nice.
they're lovely. I like those.
I like these that are in here now.
I like that one. And I like that one too. I wonder if that's in the same position so you can stamp over the top. No, I don't think it is. That'd be good if it was a two-step stamping one. Cool. Like.
I like these.
So, do you want to turn?
They're stickers. Big stickers.
Are they?
Yeah, they're so adhesive.
Wow. Illustrated London News. Did I see some like angels and cherubs somewhere?
You did.
Can you just turn them on the side so I can film them? There we go. What's it say? Flora Studio stickers. Are they die cut? Or do you have to cut them
you have to
first?
cut them out. But, I mean, the stickers are lovely. They're on a lovely substrate.
They feel nice.
They feel lovely.
They look like they feel nice.
What's those?
Mm-hmm.
And then we have Vellum quotes.
Okay, well, company.
Vellum quotes are from
Down at the bottom, wee finger is.
direct sales by dsbv.eu. Disa. Or
Okay.
Disa.
Oh, Vellum. Well, they're nice little insert panels, aren't they?
They're lovely, aren't
They're all
they?
foiled as well, by the looks of things.
Yep.
We like a bit of shine.
They're lovely.
We like shiny, sparkly things like that, but not like glossy stuff.
I think this is a draw pull. It looks like a... Or is it a belt buckle?
It could, no.
I don't know, but I like it.
I think it's for a bag.
I think it's lovely.
You know, like on the front of a satchel.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I think
So
make
you
a nice
put your
pull.
name in it. It would.
A nice pull. We have...
Oh. Cigarette case.
with a tiny little die in it.
Yes. I don't know anybody who smokes anymore though. Because I don't smoke anymore.
Put your gelatos in there.
I wouldn't get very many in.
I think it's
But
lovely.
It is, it's a lovely case, but it would be nice to be used as a cigarette case. But like I said, I stopped smoking in 2008.
Yes, you did.
I stopped smoking in 2008, so it's 12 years since I stopped
It is.
smoking.
Ooh.
And you've never smoked, have you?
No.
Because you're a good boy, aren't you?
I'm not a good boy, no.
Alright,
There are lots
okay.
of other dirty habits.
Right, let's move on quickly. So what's this then?
Industrial 20.
And this is by...
Die cut. It's all die cut by Stans Block. Is it Stans Block? Studio Light.
Okay, Studio, so I don't know where they're based.
They're Dutch.
Are they? Studio
so.
Light's Dutch, is it?
All this is
They're all die cut.
They're all die cut. So you've got all different.
Look at that colour. That's... Try not to get the shadow in too much. Look
colours.
at that patina.
But
colour.
they're all die cut, so they just pop out panels.
Oh, a bit interesting to do a steampunky themed page with those. Like the like a propeller.
Oh, Bentley's having a look.
Hello.
Hello, son.
Hello.
Hang on. Another one of these little treats. There you go, son. Go on then.
The frolic.
Oh, it's there, yeah.
Yeah.
So look, they're all different.
It got that far.
He never gets to in his bed.
No.
There's all different ones.
Fabulous. There's some real nice industrial stuff in
Some
there.
lovely ones. There's quite a few pads actually.
Really?
There's this one, which is same company again, but you've got all different
Oh,
retro illustrations. Have a flick through from the back. Well, they're nice. All the little bits of ephemera.
like the owl.
All die cut.
These would make really nice additions to go with the Timholes little peeps.
Yes, it would.
To include in the. Oh, I love that. They're like 3D.
I think it's decoupage,
Yeah,
but die
3D
cut
decoupage. So you
decoupage.
put foam pads behind it to make it stand out from the page, don't you?
Oh, they're good. I had one of those years ago.
Fantastic.
In circles. Oh, well,
Wow.
there is quite a few of these.
You're going to have to hold these up, I think, so we can see. That's thick.
Very thick.
Is it acrylic?
Yeah,
Or perspex?
it's acrylic.
Fantastic.
You've got all the little shapes, etc.
So this is a pen stencil, isn't it? Where you put your pen in.
Yeah, but as long as we can't bounce through it.
Well, yeah, true, I suppose.
So you've got that one.
Mm-hmm. Lovely borders. So hearts.
Sorry, it's the wrong way up.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Hearts, flowers.
Actually, the hearts are both ways up, so
Well, yes,
straight before.
there is that. So, and you can see it's shiny.
Yep. Okay.
Yep. That cracking noise you heard a second ago was my knee, by the way. Sorry.
These, look at those.
Oh, they're nice. They'd be ideal actually for drawing round and using as journaling
Yes, they would.
spaces in your art journal. There's quite a few in there, by the looks of things.
Okay.
Yep. Likey.
Christmas one.
Oh,
But I think it's a snowman builder.
Mr. Frosty.
Yeah, it is. Look, the scarf and
That's
the hat.
cool. That's cute.
Be quite fun.
A nice star.
Yes.
And let it snow at the bottom where your fingers is.
Yes.
Just there, look.
Sorry.
Let it snow. Very nice.
I think the possum might have been a little bit rough with a couple, but they're only at the edge. That's obviously a nativity.
Yep. Well, they still work.
Oh yeah, of course they
No
do.
problem at all.
There's no problem with them at all.
It's just the corners, isn't it?
Yeah, it's because they're quite brittle.
Yeah. Well, they still work. They're not.
There's nothing wrong with them.
Beyond.
No,
They're
God,
not
no.
beyond. They can still definitely be used.
Of course.
Fabulous.
And the
And a
last one
alphabet one.
is the alphabet one.
Yeah. Well, even if the A is damaged in, it doesn't matter, does it? Because,
We've got some glue.
well, actually, that probably would stick with glossy accents.
Let's amend that then.
Yeah.
Put that there.
I like the alphabet on that one.
Okay.
Grungy alphabet.
And then what else have we got? We've got some napkins. Oh, bunny. Got bunnies, fishes.
Yeah, don't lose the bits of plastic from the stencils.
No.
There we go, because we
Put
can
that
maybe
together
repair
again.
those.
Yes, of course. Look at this.
Some nice textured and embossed napkins and serviettes.
And some lovely floral ones.
Nice colour combination there.
The bunny's still good though.
We like the bunny.
We like the bunny.
Bunny's nice.
There's some more in the bottom. Got some pens.
What are they?
Have a look. Oh. They're either Chinese or
Chinese or China graph?
they're very fine.
Oh, fine point pens.
Yeah, white ones as well.
Do they write on the craft card? Just there.
Yeah,
Nice.
they're lovely.
Cool.
2 of each.
Very nice.
And then, last but not least, I think we have some more of the
craft hex.
some more
Some
of
more
the
of that
veggie leather.
veggie leather, yeah. That's a big piece.
Nice to make for a cover.
That's a very, very big piece. What's that? It's almost A2?
I think it probably is A2.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's A2.
So 4 times A4 makes A2.
Yeah.
So 2 times A4 makes
I think
A3.
it's probably bigger than A2
It
actually.
probably is. Does it actually say on this?
16
16 inches by 22 inches.
to 22.
Yeah. So that's quite big, isn't it?
Yes. And that
I noticed there was a couple of like screws in the corners.
there is. I
Are
think
they Chicago screws?
I don't know what that means.
They're like screws that you'd use to put punch holes in and put through blocks of paper.
Yeah, I think they put all for the bag kit to make with the.
Ah, of course, yes. If it's a bad kit,
Because there's 4 screws
there should be 4
and four little washer things.
nuts.
Yes.
Same to you.
Thank you. So there we are.
Fantastic. So,
Thank you very much.
yes, I'm sure there's something that you can use.
Oh, I've got me on a
There's
few
definitely
things. Then.
something that he can use.
And there's definitely something he can use too.
Thank you, Alienne,
Thank
so
you.
much for the Happy Mail.
See you later.
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.